Here it is, February 1st, 2011. It's 3:50, it's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been snowing since about noon, and we've already got almost what looks like about a foot outside. We're here in Springfield, Illinois, and it is freezing outside. My little temperature gauge says that's definitely below 20, about 18 degrees. Winds are blowing. We've already had a couple of cars stopped on the street out here where the neighbors had to go out and actually help push them up the street and get out their snow blowers. So we will film a little bit later and see where this goes. It's still coming down pretty good. We're under a blizzard warning until noon on Wednesday. Check back again. I'll post another one real quick.